You look at a landscape and you see all of the yellow flowers out there and you assume you've got a very, very dense plant population when you really don't. This is Birdsfoot Trefoil. This is a species that's actually been introduced. It's used as a forage, it's used in boulevards, it's used in ditching areas because it's so well established and it will tolerate low fertility, it will tolerate obviously lower moisture levels. So it really has its benefit and it has its value. It's a very aggressive self-seeder. Each one of these flowers has the potential to produce seed pods and many, many seeds. We've got probably in this whole patch maybe 3 seeds that germinated in 3 plants. One reason that it is so successful, it's got this extensive root system. It's down in the subsoil where we've really got enough moisture. So it's a prolific seeder, and that's the reason we're seeing it in many of our landscapes. But in the landscape, it can outcompete the lawn. This is just one plant here from one seed. So it really is it's a nitrogen fixing plant. It has value in the landscape, and you just have to kind of enjoy the color that it provides, particularly if you're not watering.